Hello, welcome to my channel 2-Minute English. Follow us to master English every day. Today, we will practice listening skill with motivation for your dreams. Are you following your dreams? Never give up on your dreams. Indeed, dreams and goals are essential parts of our lives. They are aspirations, the beautiful things we always strive for. Life becomes meaningful and vibrant when we dare to dream and strive. Dreams are an endless source of motivation, a fire that burns brightly in our hearts, pushing us forward every day. With dreams and aspirations, our lives become more romantic and enriched. They are the spiritual medicine that drives us to exert ourselves fully. Let's contrast those who live without dreams, who are like insects hiding in darkness without knowing where the light is. Each of us should nurture and care for our dreams, helping them grow and mature every day. Yes. Enough sunshine will make the flowers bloom. Enough wind will make the kites fly. Enough love and happiness will fill our hearts. With enough dreams and effort, we will surely achieve success. Dream big and make it happen.